Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new slide to your Google Slides presentation. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon down below if you would like to create a new slide, but you can also open one of your presentations that you have already created by tapping on the one here at this page. So now if you would like to add a slide, you should tap on the one of these slides and click on the edit slide button. Here, if you want to add a new slide to your presentation, press this box with a plus icon button down below in the right corner of the screen. As you can see at this page, you can select from a vast variety of slides, such as a title slide, a section header slide, title and body, columns, a description box, a slide with big numbers, or even a blank page, a blank slide. So you need to choose this option according to your preferences and your topic and the part of your presentation that you are going to add to your slide. So just simply tap on the relevant one. And now, as you can see, you can start customizing your slide and adding information to it. So you can add as many slides as you want by repeating the same steps as I have just mentioned. So you are free to add as many as you want, and you can go back and forth between them by tapping on the relevant one down below. As you can see, it's really simple and easy since they have numbers, so they are numbered. So you can go back and forth between these, and you can edit them anytime, or even remove any of these if you feel like to do so by tapping on it and then tapping on this bin icon at the top of the screen. So you can get rid of these text boxes if you feel like to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.